Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I wanted to do, I'm going to do a quick video on how to use the product rule to multiply things that have exponents or same base. All right, so this problem is saying fully simplify it. So basically, anything that has the same base should the exponents should be combined. You should add them. Um, but the numbers, the coefficients, you just multiply them. So when you see this, something like this, you're basically just going to multiply the two numbers. So that's going to be 14 times a negative 13. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to take anything that has the same exponents and you are going to um, add the exponents. So if we look at this, if we multiply 14 times a negative 13, that's going to be, so we're just going to do 14 times, and wake up, wake up. It's going to be 14 times a negative 13, which is going to be 182. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the x's and you're going to add the exponents. Now, just remember this. This x has a 1. Even though it's not there, you should know that there's a 1. So what we're going to do is going to be x 4 plus 1. This 4 plus this 1. So that's going to be 5. So this is going to be x to the 5th power. And then we're going to do the same thing with the y's. It's going to be y 5 plus 3. So this is going to be 5 plus 3. So this is going to be y to the 8th. Here you go. Now, this is what you should do. Please, when you get your answer, you should store numbers. So let's go and we're going to use the calculator. Go here and we're just going to store some numbers. So I'm going to put $1.25 and store that into X. And then I'm going to get $2.25 and I'm going to store it into Y, right? Now, once I've got those two numbers stored, I'm just going to key in the original problem, exactly the way you see it. Make it look exactly like you see it. So it's going to be y to the 5th. Then we have parentheses, a negative 13. And then you got x to just x. And then you have y to the 3rd power. And then you close the parentheses. And then you press enter. It says, now the reason that this did not work is right here. The calculator thinks that I created a new variable called the XY variable. That's not what I want. I actually want that to be times. So you have to put a times in there. So just copy it and put a multiplication in between and then press enter. So I get a negative 364,822 and about 49 cents. Now, if my answer is right, if this is a negative 182 x to the 5th, y to the 8th is right, I should get the same answer. So let's type that in. So let's do a negative 182 let's do a negative 182, and then we're going to do x to the 5th. And then y to the 8th. Y to the 8th. And then press enter. And you can see that they match. So I'm confident that what I did for the simplification is right. All right, now I'm going to go and I'm going to do another question and I'm going to show you the same thing. So if you look at my iPad, you can see it says the product of 3x to the 5th times 2x to the 4th. Now remember that product means multiplication. So basically all I'm doing is I'm going 3x to the 5th times 2x to the 4th. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the two numbers and multiply them, the coefficients, and multiply them. And then I'm going to keep the base the same and just add the exponent. So it's going to be 5 plus 4, and that's going to be 9. So I'm looking for 6x to the 9th. It's right there. I'm good. What I should do, what you should do is you should check your work. I'm going to do that in the next question. And then I'm going to make a quick video on how you store numbers and check, but that's it. All right. I'm going to stop and I'm going to upload this.